Let me show you this by taking two fresh sheets. So sheet 4 and sheet 5, and I would like to show the drop down in this area, let's say in the C column. Okay, I highlighted that one with a cursor, and at the same time go and select data validation under the data menu. Now if you click on the data validation, now so one pop-up will appear, and here the select cell range. Currently I have selected this one, and select a list from a range, and here you can select the data range. Here go and select the sheet 5. Now let's say like I'm selecting the 10 rows here, and click on OK, and see this show drop down list in cell. Yes, I want that. If you don't want the drop down list, you can uncheck this, but my intention is to show the drop down only. That's why I'm selecting this. And again, on invalid data, what if the user is giving the invalid data? You want to just show the warning and ignore the just show the warning and continue editing it, or you want to reject the input. So obviously you want to reject the input. And then what appearance? So when you click on this cell, it will show you the message saying that select from the list, something like that, right? That can be done using this option. Check this option. Now click. So it is showing already some text, so I'm keeping as is. Now click on save. Now we have drop down, but we don't have any values in that, right? So because you didn't add anything in the sheet 5 in this range. So let me add few values like BMW, Tesla, RD, okay, and Toyota, like that. Now see, all these 4 will come in the sheet 4. See in this. So you have to select the values from this, and I'm dragging the same properties further. If you click on this and see, this message is also appearing here, and we can select the multiple values. And what if I give the wrong value, like Hyundai? So it won't allow you to edit the cell if you give the wrong value. So because we selected the reject input option, and even you can give the proper value directly here. We select it, yes, like this.